Next year. I've been sulking the whole day, man. Give me. Before I crash. Janunga ya basi manga fast. Oh, no. Jihana. Telling all the bluebirds.
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. Wanna brain all the time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my shansies. Hope you guys are all doing good. I'm so sorry guys, my hair is a mess. I just put it on and just put a cap on top of it because I was in a hurry. I asked my brother to accompany me, come top up my groceries at OK. Right behind me, he's still in the shops. I left him. We forgot some items, so I was like, you know what? Let me stay in the car. Okay, you guys, I'm so tired. And ik is sick raak. Ek is baie sick. If you are new here, welcome to the family. I hope you click the subscribe button and that notification bell just to be notified every time I post a video. And if you are a return subscriber, you know how I feel about you, period. Brother dearest, say to my channel.
Hi YouTube channel, how are you?
Let's try again. See big apple and let me hold them. I go hold them small. Oh yeah. You go fall off. But why is he bright? Yeah. Go.
You want to see what to?
Ay, so stressed as a vlog. That is a bugela mati. No more. Did it?
I'm tired. I am tired.
Next year. Actually, yes, I should have went to traffic department. I've always like, wow, Satan.
But Elena,
I don't, Kesan. My loan is expired. I think last year, if I'm not mistaken.
Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chugga de, fine, oh, bugger de, watch your love for like it, why not more than, your body, chugga de, bush it ready, yeah, imade, double zile, kilo fat.
Oh, hi guys. I just finished doing my nails. I just did white. So my gown has a lot of like white things. I think it's from the washing machine. I don't know. But yeah, finished doing my nails. I did a white set. There you go. Yeah. Guys, today is Valentine's Day and I've been sulking the whole day, man. I don't know for what, because I was fine yesterday. But Sunday was just like, I was just not feeling the day, you know? I think me not being in a relationship actually does affect me, and in a way, because like naturally I'm such a lover girl. Like I you know, I would love to exercise that side of me, right? But now, you know, life ish, life. But I'm okay. I think it's just today. Tomorrow I'll be very much fine, and I would regret saying this. But yeah, man, it's something about it's like birthdays, you know, when you know that I'm not gonna celebrate my birthday, it's not that important and whatnot, but when the day comes, you get so sad and you beat yourself up for like not celebrating your day. Like it becomes such a sad day until maybe you get up and just do something just to, you know, take that away from how you feel, or like whatever, so that you can feel better. So yeah, right now I just finished taking a bath. I was in bed the whole day. I tell you, I was in bed the whole day. I woke up and ate, went back to bed, watched movies, and I edited my vlog a bit until I fell asleep, and I slept. I took a nap, and I woke up again. Let me just do my nails. I think I did my nails around 4, and I finished like 40 minutes ago. I think it was around, I think it's 5 to 7, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, 5 to 7. Yeah, so that's that. I'm not okay, man, today. Why? And I regret not actually going out, just to breathe. I don't know, maybe that's what I needed. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I am going to dress up and go and see my mother. Apparently she's back. She didn't tell me that she was coming back. She was in the Eastern Cape and she came back today, so I'm gonna go see her. This lip gloss is too sweet. Now my water tastes like strawberries or something. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna lotion my body. Guys, I don't understand the packaging. Guys, what do you even mean? I prepped my wig, so I'm gonna wear this and dress up and go home.
Every season, warm and sunny. Skip, bring me a love.
Yeah.
I feel chosen. Nobody gonna do if I ain't with you. You can see
Alias, but yeah. Yeah.
bring me joy. I wanna me. I wanna yeah. Bring me joy. I wanna
Give me. Strong enough.
Life can be
A bit too much. I will.
holding my hand through all these.
I just miss you.
I get sad
Sometimes I feel alone. Digo Gabadi. Come, darling. Thank you. By fire, by force. Amen. No matter how far, I'm yours.
Friday nights I overcome all my demons hide.
I need you to stay. I need you to stay. Oh, Baba. Guys, I am done. I need my hair. I don't know why I am all dressed up and looking nice. But okay, I know, because I'm not feeling well. Ugh. I'm a bit sad, man. So I just want to like uplift my mood a bit. At least look good and smell good. So this is the scent of the day. Now this is, I don't know, it's an Arabic perfume. that I got from my cousin. She sells them. So yeah, this is the scent for the hour actually, because I'm just gonna be back now because my house is like 5 streets away from where I live. So I'm just gonna go home, say hi to my mom because she just came back from the Eastern Cape, and yeah, and that's it. So I'm wearing this top from Mr. Price and just semi-formal pants. Can you guys see from that mirror? What am I? Wait, let me put this way. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So these pants, and my slippers, because I'm just going down the street and it's at night. No one's gonna see me. So yeah, maybe I can just wear my slides. No, my slippers will do because it's a bit warm. My feet are gonna be very warm. So yeah, guys, let me get going. I'll probably see you guys when I come back because obviously there's nothing to film at home. So I'll see you guys when I come back, either tonight or tomorrow. I don't know, because I'm not gonna do anything when I come back. Literally, I'm just gonna come in here, probably make something to eat or eat at home, if they do have food for me. And then yeah, well, I'll see you guys on the next day, tomorrow or sometime next week before I close this vlog. I feel like a baddie, guys. It's currently 11 minutes past 11, and I did my makeup and then I decided to just take some few pictures, yeah, just to make myself feel better because my hair looks so good. So I was like, you know what, even though it's not glued, but I was like, oh, it looks so pretty. Let me just put on some makeup and take some cute pictures. You guys should follow me on Instagram. You guys will see the pictures posted on Instagram, period. Guys, I am going to edit the pictures now and sleep because I've got work tomorrow, and also I need to go to church early in the morning, and then later on I'm going to work because I start at 2 p.m. yeah, so just wanted to show you guys my look before I crash. I look like a baddie. Hey, let me wash off this makeup. I'm so bummed I have to wipe this makeup off without anyone seeing me, like face to face live. Hey, this life no balance. This life no balance at all. At all. But yeah. Njani ungayazi basema nga 5 past?
No mfinde ndimtshayeka.
Uqala ufika namhlanje?
Ndimtshaya ekulayishe ngeweekend ngiyaqala namhlanje.
Ngo-1 umuntu ulayisha ngo-1 ka uqala ngalayisha ngo-1? Oh. 5 past ke mntasekhaya siyahamba. Sanyani lo. Another day, another dollar. Sorry guys, this music's playing outside, but yeah. Hi guys, it is the afternoon. I had a fairly good day. Today is my off day. It was very chilled, very hot though. The weather was just like, yeah, too much. I think it was like 30 degrees. I think it was like 30 degrees today. So I just cleaned my place and just chilled. And also uploaded a vlog also, or edited a vlog. And yeah, and uploaded it, but I haven't published it yet. I'm gonna publish it next week. So yeah, that was my day. I'm thinking of having wine. I don't have it right now. I haven't bought it. I'm still contemplating in going to buy it. I literally have like 30 minutes to decide and go before Kuvalu. 1 second. Before Kuvalu. Sorry guys, this is my friend. Yeah, I just want to have a drink or two, literally. But yeah, I'll see if I can go to OK, or I don't know, but I'd like to have a drink or two, even though I should cut down on acid. I understand doctor's orders, but Sana, I want to have a drink. I really want to have a drink just for today, and then because that caught me off guard. Imagine, like, I can't even tell prior, but hey, sis, you have to cut down on this so that I can make sure that India Valilis, and then so anyways, I'm gonna try and go and request and go to OK and buy my wine. Yeah, and then I'll catch you guys later when I come back. Into one lay. Sis. Yo, it's not. No, that was like the worst thing. Man, Indwala. Say, injani Indwala, like injani.
Indwala, ngathi. Angathi into ngathi ngokuthi. Azayazi ukuthi mos. Ngathi
Ila indazi intakumba.
Yeke intakumba.
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 Ikhalane lona elisenjeni.
Into ngathi njehana. Into ngathi njehana. Ngoku xa ndazi xa izawuphuma ezinye ziphuma kokwenantsika kwezinto ezincinci ngathi ngonomnuyi ezilapha kuthiwa ngonomnuyi, like zibe ncinci, zibe mhlophe apha entloko.
Awuyiva wena loo nto le?
Xa uthi uyithi iqamfu thina kudala
unaliqhakuva limhlophe.
Ndiyazi ngayilinganisa, ndingayilinganisa njani laa nto. Ndiyazi ngayilinganisa njani. Then ke ngoku
Athi le nto izoyinkontshontsho abamhlophe. But inkulu uyakwazi from a distance.
Uyibona xa usondele icaleni komntu. Like nje ngeke ndiyibone apha. Ndiyibona uma uhleli ecaleni kwam. Sithaka sithondela kule apha ebheki apha.
Oh, guys, bethunana. Sahlala enweleni.
Hlala ezweleni.
Hayi into umuntu eseleyenza laa nto. Ayizila nto imfuyo. Hayi intoni? Because itheni iphelile ngoku.
Even abazokunoba unokungawuhlamba.
Ukuzazikhona even xa uhlamba intloko, noma ungayihlamba kangakanani intloko. Oh yini ba?
But kudala kakuright kudala because kwakhona ezontwala kwangagulwa. Ngakho andizendezelaphi. Kwangagulwa kudala just izifo ezingaka nje.
Into yazinceda guys.
Hayi, usikhusela.
Hayi bo.
Hayi yani into lazikho ngoku kwindlela egulwa ngayo.
I think it's just a medication. Okay, it's just ukwazi ngoku. Kuba like sisiye ezikliniki sixelelwa basina ntoni.
Nezinto zokuhlamba.
Uyayibona different nokutya and how ukutya is developed. Yabona rice, rice uyithatha nje efama uyitye. In a process ne chemicals ufuneka idlule kuzo.
Dala kaloku yebo upheka rice bowl iqondo yojonga. Aze. Koma ajonga siyaqala uba nje ngoba ekhaya.
Nemingqusho kaloku.
Nepapa.
Ezi uzingqushayo uzithi.
Papa nethi. Cabbage.
Uyayibona? Zonke into ezilinywayo.
Wo.
Yiloo nto zizi-processed foods ezenza uba kubekho into ezityewe ezizigulo zitsha.
Akusekho kwamntu unantwana ngoku. Zaphela.
Thank God. Angasoze ndisava.
Uthi uhlele eklasini ukuba uthi andithi apha entloko xa usithi uyive nantsi. Uzakwazi kanjani ke ngoku?
Funa iyahlala ke ngapha kuloo ndawo ihleli ayihambi?
Iyahamba kaloku.
Awuyiva wena xa ihamba?
Hluthi hayi uyiva xa ihamba kodwa xa ihluthi yala iyahlala. Uthi xa usithi phina uthi andithi uthi kanje.
Ewe.
Uthi xa usithi siyakwenza kanje awuhlalanga nasebheki elantseni eklasini. Lapha emva kwakho xa uqamba uthi uyayilantseka baza kubona. Kodwa ibreak iphuma kudala. And balishuku ngoba manje usithi
Hey khona inkwethu. Fana nengayiqapheli.
Dala ayiqapheli. Andifuni kodwa nengayiqapheli.
Nayayitya inkwethu kaloku ezontwana ezo. Zazitya ntoni ebentloko.
Hu? Wena.
Engatyi inkwethu.
Nazo sitya yona. Sikhule nzima sanathi. Wena nasikhule.
Side ndathi nje ngoku ngaba akho ntwana.
Usho ungachela.
Ewe.
Zikuphumze nomzuzu ucebile. Xa qaqile zithi qala ukuthi zithi khwalala. Ziyakhala.
Funa umuntu ehlele enenqayi. Funa umuntu onqayayo.
Nokubanda mhlawumbe uyoqonda uyarhalela ukunantsika. And zingabikho lezi zinto ezinto zokufaka i-braids nanto. Wawucheba
awuphema xa wenza i-pem
Pem lotion.
Noma ungayifaka i-pem lotion sis yakuchemical enhloko.
Zazingabikho.
Zazingabikho ngela mizuzu. But as soon as inwezi zakho ngathi ziba right.
Sule ngathi inwezi zakho zibuyela.
Kukafurara.
Yaqalisa.
Kiyara.
Ndizaza kakhulu. Itona neyenantsika nemikenke. Oh, Jesus. Sibaba sokubuya hamba uthi. Ngile ndawo sithixo.
Kwakutheni ngenza ntoni sisi?
Imikenke.
Ungahlambi.
Yenza ungahlambi ukuhamba ngeenyawo. Asihamba ngeenyawo kakhulu thina. Even ihlangu zikhona. Kwazi ihlangu. Nasesikoleni uthi xa ubuya ihlangu ziphethe ngesandla.
Ufuna uhamba ngeenyawo.
Ufuna ngeenyawo. Iziphumo zeenyawo ke zibe khona.
I-results.
Hayi buhlungu imikenke.
Ana wawa. Ubona ntombi. Ukoba endlini. Ake kutata. Semsebenzini. Athi work to enesande njalo uzibona uba uzawusuka.
Hayi bazokhela apha ebengazuyilwazi ngoku kodwa yaphanga.
Ebengazuba saye walahla. Simshoute manyakhe ngoku. Simshoute. Sithi ngathi. Hleka lento zakho. Ibethe ngenyawo. Hamba because right. Right. Bese sizavele sithi hlika. Cebo hlika. Qumba into eyiyo. Ayike usiqumbe ke. Right mzali. Sithi sivele uthi uqumba siqonda kaloku. Uqumbe into engekho. Hey. Zenitsho ngamagaga bhitye.
Chawe enhloko
Uzula ke mina kandidlala.
noma undiyo.
Tshata ka tsoro. Ndiyaquzula. Kumbeli mnandi moyo ngcwele kumbeli mnandi andiyazi le ndawo.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting canceled. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to gold. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just looking.
Sazibaleka sandisakancama sana asifuni ungena apha kokuhlela abanye ke abasebenzela omareyitshi apha kule ndlu mzali elapha rayithi esekoneni hayi next one le nantsi njengehlela kwesi sitalo ethina ke phaa phezulu nantsi ya guys hi it is a beach day for us and I just remembered that actually I used to stay here. Right now, I'm going to my old house where I used to live. There's still some students there, and the family that sponsored us is still there. They still live there. So it's been a while, guys. Like I left in 2021. I left in 2021, so I haven't seen them ever since I left. I am going back to the place that built me, you know. Yeah, those who know. It's a story for another day. But there was a point in time in my life that I needed funding for school, and this family was kind enough and generous enough to give me that opportunity. So that, you know, I can study further and all of that. So yeah. So right now I'm going to them. I'm going to see that. I hope they're there at home. I don't even have their numbers anymore. But yeah, I tried to call some other student that still lives there. But she wasn't answering her phone, so I'm gonna check if she's still there. I don't know, I'm so nervous, guys. I haven't been here for like years and they haven't seen me in years. I'm quite nervous. I'm very, very, very nervous. What am I gonna do? What am I going to do? Are they going to be shocked, surprised? They have reached out like I think 2 years ago to ask me about, you know, like the progress. Am I still studying? What's going on? It was a long story, man. It's a long story why I left this place. It's not entirely my fault, but something happened and I had to leave. Sadly. Guys, we used to like go there and swim every chance we got. Oh man, we used to go to Surfers Corner and try to learn how to surf. It's amazing. Rachel still has her old room. Like, I hope she still has rabbits there. That is crazy. So we used to live in this house, this one. But now I'm gonna go to the main house where the parents are. Because I'm not sure if there's people here in this house.
Authenticating failed.
Of course it's gonna fail because I'm not from here anymore.
Authenticating failed.
Because I'm not too sure if they will agree for like videos and stuff, but
failed.
I'll try to update you guys.
Authenticating failed.
Yeah.
Authenticating failed.
I'm so nervous. Guys.
Authenticating failed.
Okay. I'll update you guys as soon as I get them. Bye. Do you still watch my videos though? That's the real question.
I saw what.
You used to be my biggest supporter, you know that? Like, you used to comment on each and every video that I made. But I was like, yeah, you did. You were like, hey. And you teased me a lot also.
I remember that.
Oh, you remember that?
I remember that.
Oh, okay.
Is it
Yeah.
sweet?
I don't know. I got here with that. I don't know what's going on here. Don't taste it. No.
There's your necklace.
Oh my god. Do you know what that is also? Is it icing or what? For what? Is she making a cake or something?
I hope so.
Okay. I hope so too. I don't have time. I need to go because my cousins are at the beach. I'm still vlogging though. Wait, it's water. My hair is a mess.
What do you do now?
I still work.
Start sending me money.
Oh, definitely. Definitely. There's evidence here though, by the way, that you ate icing. Yeah. Yeah, do that.
I fall asleep at like 1.
Yeah. Do you work Monday to Friday? That's nice.
6 to 9. I mean
6
9 to 6. Yo.
Oh.
I'm still asleep. Yo.
Okay, so 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's a decent hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. With being
And I
fun.
just get to play golf the whole day pretty much.
Also, that's nice. Is it still there in
It's not by the golf course, it's by
Okay.
like a... It's like by a golf simulation place.
Hey, we're gonna up here now. You are a hard worker, hey?
Sadie, we do not want to fall. We can mop in that room, please.
Sammy just want the mops on it.
Thank you.
Sammy!
Leo, can you tell Mama the tumble dryer's finished?
Is Hope's mom still working here? Hope's mom.
Yes.
Wow. This is so beautiful, Ma.
Is that?
I wish I had this view when I was still staying here. This is so nice. Wow. Hi, Zala. Yenza ngombani? Yimani mzala le ndawo le lena ye golf. Lebesidlula kuyo. Yes. Okay, mzala not nda upake kuyo. Klasekile kule asekile qanga nda upake kuyo. Kaloku nditsho loo nto uthi wena uthi le uqala. Xa ungena. Uze siyahamba komareji siyadlula. Siyadlula komareji. Zala. Kaloku nditsho ndithi landa ubupake kuyo. Okay, kaloku uzakhangela ke. Sure. Oh, Sana. What a wholesome hour I had. Oh my God, I cried when I saw my mother. Oh, it is so nice, guys. And also, I did not even bring a bikini or some sort, and also I did not lay my wig in his. Hi, son. Lost soldier. Zella, how are you feeling? Yes.
I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling energized.
Okay.
I love the beach.
Okay, I can see. Yeah.
I just want my husband to buy me ice cream.
Okay.
Expensive ice cream.
Period. Period. As in per. Oh. Brian. Pretty little baby. It's just for hours. Telling all the bluebirds. You can ask the flowers. Okay, fine. I say for hours, telling all the bluebirds, I'm feeling blue. I'm a little baby. I'm so in love with you. Ooh. Hi guys, it is a Sunday afternoon on my way to work. Oh, Sana, I just want to close with this vlog and say biggest thanks to the people that have been watching my videos. Guys, you guys are doing the most here. Like, I'm just trying to reflect and go back to like my previous videos. They've been so slow in terms of like viewing and stuff like that, but like now we are improving, we're getting there. I need to also tie my shoes. Look. Oh. I need to tie my shoes somewhere. But yeah, I'm so sorry guys, you know, I'm so sorry for giving you content of me going to work or me being at work or me traveling to work. It's literally just work. To be honest with you, I don't have enough time for myself and for activities and, you know, going here and going there, spending money here and there. I don't have that luxury now. I don't have the time, I don't have the money to do so. But in God's time, I will get to a point where I'll be able to do some activities. Sorry guys, the lighting, I know. I'll get to a point where I'll be able to do some activities when I'm off, so that you guys are not bored. Yes, I'm going. There's a taxi down the street because I'm late. Well, if I walk, I'll be late. Yes, I'm coming. If I walk, then I'll be very, very late. So guys, bye. Thank you so much. Mwah, I love you loads.